We're here in downtown Arlington with Mr. Texas Ranger himself, Brandon Hurtado. I've been waiting for this. He's just down the street, 10 minutes, maybe 5 miles. He's open 7 days a week. So when people are knocking on the door, I need barbecue, I'm like, just go down the street. Here in downtown Arlington. And we're gonna do brisket. We're literally backyard.
That's what
AC. We're servings of all his barbecue. This is live. It's unbelievable.
Golden, brown, and delicious. That's what we all call you.
So, here in downtown Arlington, we're at Hurtado's Barbecue. Mr. Brandon Hurtado. What's up, Mr. Texas
How you
Ranger?
doing, man?
I swear to you, I see you on social media with 4 6s, doing a whole bunch of shit out there. Texas Rangers, opening up new barbecue joints in Mansfield. What else are you not doing?
I haven't opened a donut store yet.
Man, hey, actually,
Maybe someday.
hey, you can get some kolaches with
Yeah.
salty donuts. I saw like
Bosniks.
yeah, what's it? Foxboro's hooked up with them. Terry Black's hooked up with them.
Yep.
And your sausage is really good, so I think it'll make some really good. You know, they're not kolaches.
Klobasnik.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Man, I really appreciate it. Like, I've been watching you, North Texas barbecue addicts, from day one. You're one of the OGs, very involved, doing pop-ups. It was a taco pop-up.
Yep. Yeah, you and I kind of grew up together in the North Texas barbecue scene at the same time. And admittedly, you were doing this like a few years before me, and I was watching you doing stuff at the Bean in downtown Grand Prairie, and I was like, man, that's what I want to be doing. I want to be following this guy's footsteps.
No, not even
Seriously.
remotely close.
Seriously. And you inspired me, honestly. You really did. You've inspired me since day one to pursue what I'm passionate about, pursue happiness, and I appreciate the fact that you're here today doing this with me. I think it's going to be awesome.
Oh, it's gonna be great, but you literally, I don't know what I gave you. You took it and just went. Like, there's no one on your level right now, bro. Like, that's the one thing I will say about you. Like, you know, people always say whatever they want to say. Barbecue's hard.
Yeah.
And for you to open up multiple locations, that's insane. Like, I just wanted to cry at least once a week with one barbecue joint. Like,
It's a lot of work.
it is. And it's like, the thing about it is it's a lot of work. You have a lot of great people that work for you, that are part of your team, and you give back to the community so much. And oh, by the way, you're also the official barbecue of Texas Rangers.
That is true. It's a good year to do that.
It was a great year, World Series. Like,
Yep.
that's incredible. Like,
Yes, sir.
so you're gonna trim a brisket.
Yes.
There's 1,000 videos out here.
Yes.
But there's not one in your backyard video for BBQ Distro. So let's check it out. What
Let's
are we gonna do first?
All right, so the first thing that I like to do when I'm trimming briskets is take the mohawk off. I take the mohawk off, and then you can turn that into burn ends. You can use it for sausage, whatever, pretty much. But, you know, it's one of those things that kind of just goes to waste if you're gonna leave it on. So I usually take that off, and we'll either grind it up for burgers or whatever, but try and make it as uniform as possible. And then I'm really just taking off some of that hard fat on here, right off the point. Trying to leave about a 1/4 inch of fat like everyone else in barbecue does, on top of the flat, on top of the point. Just regular yellow mustard as a binder. I like to start with the bottom of the brisket first, and I always season this first, because whenever we're loading, you know, I don't want to season the top first and then flip it over, and then we lose some of the rub. And I don't use a lot of binder. I just use enough to make it kind of tacky.
Yep.
So that rub will stick on there. But just a little line on there. And then straight up using our Hurtado Beef Blend.
That you will be getting this month. So you can make brisket, or use it on your steaks, use it on your
Anything.
beef ribs.
Beef ribs, anything.
Man, that's a really beautiful color.
Thank you. It's got chili powder, cumin, granulated garlic. I really like granulated garlic in my rub versus garlic powder because it's not as powdery, you
Yep.
know? And
And you can actually see it.
yeah, you can actually see it, taste it, it does better. I like to tip mine right in between the flat and the point, and you can tell that's like right at 207. It's about perfect. And
Just a baller. Just
the
like
biggest
that.
thing is underneath it. I like to fill.
Oh, so you just flip it like that.
flip 'em over.
I've never done it that way.
Yeah, we flip them over and we fill the underside of them. Make sure that it's not tight and that it's ready to go.
This is some undercover shit that you get right now. I've never seen that done before.
Ready
you
to
learn
go.
something. See, I've been doing this for 8 years and I just learned something new. Just flip it over, flip it or reverse it. That's what we're gonna call it. Flip it or reverse it.
Let's do it.
Are you kidding me?
It's pretty good. Nice little smoke ring on there.
Look at that color.
And that smoke.
You can tell that lean is like perfectly done. Look, always tell people, anybody cook fatty. How that lean look, and this lean looks real good.
Just hold it like
Baby
that.
bird it.
Baby bird it.
Oh yeah, you put your, take a bite. Take a bite.
That's that pull test right there.
That's real good.
Oh, I bet it is. Literally have a smoked chicken that's utilizing his glaze.
Yeah, so this is our new Big Wick's half chicken. We smoke it, we fry it. It's glazed with Big Wick's Fuego, and it is freaking fire. It's so good.
I'm gonna test that too.
Yes, you are.
Yeah.
And we'll be back.
I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand. Not a worry in the world, a cold beer in my hand. Life is good today.
It's chicken time, and let me tell you something about chicken. There's no right way to do a chicken. There's no wrong way to do a chicken. But I'll tell you one thing. I think chicken is the best barbecue item at a restaurant, at the house. Like, we're practically giving away, pricing-wise, chickens.
Yeah. I think next to turkey, chicken's probably my second favorite protein at a restaurant.
Because, like, if you get it right, it's amazing. You can make a sandwich. You can make a taco. Like,
Yep.
or you just eat it.
Yeah. I do like to cut off like that little tail right there.
Oh, yeah?
Just trim up some of that fat, but you know, I ain't gonna mess with it too much. Our chicken's so simple, dude. All we do is we use our all-purpose rub. We used to call it our pork rub, but people thought that you could only use it on pork, and that's not the case. So
Ooh,
yeah,
that is good.
It's bomb. It's bomb.
You know what that reminds me of?
What's that?
Backyard growing up with my dad.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, bro, that's like some backyard shit right there, bro.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, that actually, I'm gonna steal one from the shop and make some chicken this weekend.
It's really good.
That is.
So that's what
that
you're
is
looking
good.
for right there. That's what you're looking for.
We're gonna throw it on a smoker?
Yeah, let's do it.
How long do you
Throw it on
like-
the smoke box?
Smoke box.
Yeah.
And is it hooray?
The hooray.
Hooray! Smoke box.
Yes, bro.
And you go to your website to buy it, or they gotta go hooray to get one?
Hooray's website, and you can buy it on there. HoorayGrillCo.com.
There you go. Oh my God.
We're going at 350
Ooh. Hey,
because I like to cook chicken hot and fast.
and you know what? I'm gonna say something. It may be controversial. I take that shit to 185. I don't care.
Oh yeah.
Like, everybody's like, it's gonna dry it out. I don't care.
Nah.
It ain't gonna dry it
No,
out.
you're not gonna dry it out. The heat from the Fuego comes from habaneros and serranos. I mean, that'll
wasn't-
stick with you for a
He
while.
wasn't playing around, was he?
No, he wasn't. Yeah, so we're gonna hit that heavily.
Look at that.
We're really glazing it up.
So, you know the secret. I'm learning it. You said you go 10 minutes, but like, do you do it 10 minutes beforehand, or is it resting in the box with it in there the whole time? Like,
Yeah, we rest them in there the whole time.
so does it
we-
just intensify and it's just absolutely amazing?
Yeah, we let it tack up, and then honestly, when you have this in the restaurant, the glaze is already tacked up on there, and we hit it in the fryer for about 3 or 4 seconds, crisp it up a little bit. Yeah.
Man.
So we're gonna throw these back on the smoker and let this tack up really nice. I'm gonna give you a leg. You a leg guy?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm a thigh man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Here, I'll just lick it while y'all eat it. Don't be scared. Good?
So good.
Bro, we got some heat. That's Fuego.
And you can find them Mansfield, just open up, downtown Arlington, outside of downtown Fort Worth, and Globe Life Field for the 2023 World Series champions, Texas Rangers. The official barbecue of the Texas Rangers.
Thank you, bro.
so much, bro.
Appreciate you.
Love you. We're out.